Hello guys, today I'm gonna watch when streamer got banned live. It was I already record I already like did this video was just in 2 minutes 41 seconds and then I wish YouTube do not get me banned, okay? Just comment me. Like I'm just like reacting about this goon what come on guys, I'm recording guys. So I'm gonna do this, and then if I see something, I'm gonna like pause it and then like skip it. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna go and like record. I'm gonna unpause now, and then if I see something so weird that because right before the moment, I'm gonna like stop the thing, and then yeah, you guys won't see what it is. But if you guys really want to watch what it actually looks like, you can actually just type from when someone got banned live and yeah, okay. Yeah,
Twitch eventually gave him a temporary ban for not controlling what happened during his streams. But this wasn't the only time a streamer was banned because of a guest. Something similar happened to Convi, though in this case it wasn't intentional. While chatting live with another content creator, a simple stretch caused her clothes to shift, accidentally revealing more than she should have on camera.
When a sore throat just won't stop, get Fast.
I feel away because it's my friend. Like, why are you on the stream I used to be on?
Oh, so you mad at her?
Huh?
Yo, you mad at her? I thought you mad at him.
From a mistake behind the wheel to one in front of the camera, we get to the case of Karina Kopf. During one of her streams, she didn't realize her clothes were out of place and ended up revealing more than she intended. Once she noticed, she quickly tried to fix it.
Andre and Tom have the episode.
She can post whatever.
I don't post on YouTube.
Rob in the head, and that's fine. Then that means I didn't. Wait, what?
Guys, there was some goofy just don't forget, and I'm only 11. You do not ban me, please. You know how long it took me to get this channel. I back in 2018. Please. YouTube, I promise you, if you actually ban me, I promise you I'm gonna crash out. Guys, you don't see my face because I don't want to do some. Because I don't want to search guys my private stuff. Because I am kind of niggas on my other bands only. Anyways, let them set up and watch it.
Now we move on to Kai Sena, who during a live stream was on a call with a
Why Casey? Why Casey, man? Why Casey, bruh? Why him? He did nothing. He's like a chill guy. Casey, man, what the fudge? Anyway.
content creator without realizing she was banned from Twitch. And according to the platform's rules, appearing with someone who's suspended can also bring consequences.
Wait, are you banned on Twitch?
Why?
Are you?
Oh God, I didn't know.
Wait, I didn't know either. She didn't tell me.
I swear to God, Twitch gods, please don't back me up. Twitch gods, please. Twitch gods, please. I did not know.
When he realized, Kai panicked and begged not to be suspended, insisting it had all been a mistake.
Panicking, bro. Hey, listen, hold on, let me say something.
Guys, I'm sorry, am I also a part of this? Baby, serious, I don't want to get banned. You know how long it took me to get this? It was back in 2008. It took like forever to get this channel to reach like almost like 291. Please do not delete it or get terminated. Anyways, you start.
Real quick. Hey, if you guys don't know, once you're banned on Twitch, you're banned on Twitch. I don't condone that. On behalf of Twitch, if you're banned on here, please set up the platform so this can be a safe environment. If you know you're banned on Twitch, unfortunately, you cannot participate in any activities that's on Twitch.
From Kai saying that scare, we move to the case of Fauci, who was surprisingly banned, not from Twitch, but from Tesla.
Imagine being not only Twitch, Tesla. What had now happened? Oh, I guys know what has happened. I think I did watch this or not, but this guy was asleep. I don't think I'm just gonna tell you what happened, but I don't want to give spoil from you guys. Guys, what happened? He's like this guy, he was like I think he was sleeping, and then he woke up and then he was solo drive because you like auto drive. I'm not sure, but guys, do not do this. This is only for professionals. Don't do this, guys, please, because if you guys actually do this, I promise you, there will be a big accident, okay, so let's start.
During one of his streams, he decided to use his car's autopilot irresponsibly, which led the company to suspend him from the system.
Like leftover. Oh my god.
I thought he's talking about the one that we actually now sold, not this one. Oh. Anyways, what?
Auto steer beta and full self-driving have been suspended based on your recent driving data. These will be restored on January 11th, 2025 at 2:03 p.m. You Tesla, I'm selling this car. This car can even... I own...
Damn! This is big Tesla, bro. You know, Elon Musk created Tesla. Guys, if you don't know, I don't want to spoil this, so you guys really know, do you know? Elon Musk wasn't born in United States. If you guys know that, he was actually born where I live. I'm not telling where I live because if I tell you where I live, you guys can go to my house, kill my buddies and killing me, or even worse, killing me, or do some weird expansion. Anyways, whatever say. Just watch.
I'm McLaren now. This car. I have a why. I don't need this piece of shit.
I'm sorry for
I'm gonna lose so much money because, oh my god, man. You Tesla. Honestly, you so hard. Nobody wanted to use in self-driving.
I never ever heard a person swear that a lot to any of kind. I never ever saw a person ever swear a lot. That insane.
Oh, Elon, I'm disgusted that I even have to drive in this car right now.
But now let's move on to Aiden Ross. Back in February 2023, during a Twitch livestream, he pulled up the chat from his Kick channel live on screen. Since that chat wasn't moderated, for over 20 minutes, it was flooded with hateful messages and slurs. Twitch responded immediately, and Aiden Ross was handed a permanent ban for letting that kind of content appear on his stream.
I got indefinitely suspended from Twitch because my Kick chat box was in the top right. And, dude, they never been anyone over that. They banned me for unmoderated control of our chat. But, like, that's so stupid because that, like, people's Twitch chats all say a bunch of slurs all the time.
That wasn't the only time Aiden Ross faced a ban live on stream. On another occasion, while streaming on Kick,
Guys, yeah, so if you guys are very popular on YouTube, and then if one of your popular YouTubers actually watching me, so you actually saw a girl, yeah, do not do like, if you saw a girl or something like on like Twitch, on live stream, wherever app where you see a random name, I don't want to see the app's name, so I don't want to do it. But basically, don't actually, if you guys are actually a famous YouTuber, very popular, don't actually like let a girl like be talking to you in this app called, yeah, I don't want to say the word. And then if you guys are actually popular YouTubers, and if you see a girl, do not ever let her like talk to you because there will be stuff you won't able to see. So rather do like skip, rather like talk about like what you did and stuff, and then and then after that just skip and then go to the work. Skip until you find a boy. Yeah, so don't never talk to a girl because she that will show you some stuff that I don't want to let you do, because girls actually want to get you banned, want to get famous YouTubers banned. I don't know why, but let's go on.
he was on a video call with a guest when she suddenly did something
What the flip? But why the guy slapping his cheeks? Anyways, just start.
inappropriate on camera, which led to Aiden getting banned once again.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, so guys, I wanna pause this, sorry. Anyways, the thing I watched and I paused it is insane. I really like that the guy actually blew it because he actually showed actually real. Not only he get banned, the person who's actually recording the video will actually also get banned. CEO of Kicking. What?
Now let's move on to streamer Senna the Witch. During one of her live streams, she pulled out a paintball gun in public. Even though it wasn't lethal and only fired paintballs, it made several people uneasy, and they quickly decided to call the police.
that's a real word for you. I'm not that. Huh? Yeah, that's a real word for you. I don't know.
At one point, a paintball even struck a girl, leaving her visibly upset and demanding an explanation for what had just happened.
Where did you see it? In the side.
Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. So I'm joking. Yeah. So it's like, yeah. So anyways, imagine you see your girl, man. Imagine she a popular, famous, blah blah blah, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, blah blah blah, others, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, and see this person actually like look at you and like do something. Why am I even saying it, man? Anyways, just
Do you know who it was? Yeah, I just wanted to get the evidence because I can.
Yeah, Amira Sampson. She's the one who shot you. Are you okay?
Not long after, the police showed up. Senna was taken into custody right there and brought to the station.
Far. It's crazy, man. Imagine you go to prison and then imagine going to prison for just doing something that normal thing will ever do. Imagine you're famous with me actually get to go do a prison. Yeah. That is insane.
While the stream was still running.
Even on stream. Oh my days.
There's a paintball game. Okay, just leave it there.
Yeah, guys, this will be the end of the video. If you guys really want to watch some more, click and then subscribe to me, and I'll maybe do some more reactions and stuff. So yeah, guys, peace.